चलिए लिखेंगे. Now we have to write in your notebook. वह पल पल खुश रहता है. वह पल पल खुश रहता है. वह पल पल खुश रहता है. वे लोग हर पल नाराज रहते हैं. वे लोग हर पल नाराज रहते हैं. हरी हरदम बेचैन रहता है. हरी हरदम बेचैन रहता है. Now we have to close the whole sentence in a big bracket, and we have to write the rule. Subject plus HP. Subject plus HP plus object plus moment by moment. Moment by moment. moment. Moment by moment. Oblique in every moment. In every moment. Moment by moment. Oblique in every moment. Written? Okay, now we have to understand about this sentence, that after all, how can we translate the long sentence into English language. Always I say about this one, that learning every sentence is very compulsory, because we are learner of English. We don't know how to speak this language, that's why we have been coming here. It was said before about for learning this language, learning every sentence is very compulsory. Without learning every sentence, we can get lots of problems. It was said before about this sentence, that in which in this sentence, pal pal, chan chan, har pal, har dam, har samay, this type of words have been used in which in this sentence. Then how can we translate those sentences into English? First we have to learn about it. Because always in Hindi language, we use the all type of sentences. And we have to learn every sentence of Hindi, that what in this sentence, how can we translate into English. Unless we know how to translate the sentences, we can get lots of problems to speak this language. Because our base of English is very big. We belong to villages area. That's why we get lots of problems to speak every sentence, to translate all the sentences of Hindi what we speak every day in our daily life. That's why learning every sentence is very compulsory. This is also an important sentence. If you don't know how to speak, if you don't know how to translate this sentence, then suppose you feel like to speak this sentence in English language, and if you don't know how to translate, then according to your ways, you cannot speak. You will remove this one from your mind, and you can speak another sentence instead of this sentence. That's why learning every sentence is very compulsory. Suppose this type of sentence will come before you for translating, in which pal pal, har dam, har samay, this type of words have been used. Then for translating the whole sentences, first you have to complete the sentence according to the rule. You look the sentence, that sentence belongs to what tense, sentence belongs to what sentence. According to the rule of that sentence, you have to translate. And after translating the sentence, means after object, we have to use moment by moment, or in every moment. For Hindi word pal pal, har samay, har dam. Sometimes you say chan chan also. Sometimes you say chan chan also. The sense of the all words is equal completely. That's why while translating the all sentences, first we have to translate the sentence according to the rule, and after that end of the sentence means after object, you have to use moment by moment or in every moment for Hindi word पल पल, क्षण क्षण, तिल तिल, हर समय, हर दम. For these all words you can use end of the sentence moment by moment or in every moment. Any one of these both we have to use after object, after completing the sentence, after translating the sentence. As the sentence will come before you, वह पल पल खुश रहता है. Look in this sentence, पल पल the word is coming. Maybe you can speak this sentence in Hindi from another way. वह क्षण क्षण खुश रहता है. You can speak this sentence in Hindi. वह हर पल खुश रहता है, हरदम खुश रहता है, वह हर समय खुश रहता है. Then when you go to translate this one, that वह पल पल खुश रहता है, then you can translate that he is happy moment by moment. He is happy in every moment. वह हरदम यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है, वह हर पल यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. He is present here moment by moment. Or you can translate that he is present here in every moment. वे लोग हर समय नाराज रहते हैं. Suppose you feel like you speak like this. वे लोग हर समय नाराज रहते हैं. Then you can translate they are angry. They are angry moment by moment. Or you can translate they are angry in every moment. रेखा पल पल उदास रहती है. वह रेखा पल पल उदास रहती है. रेखा क्षण क्षण उदास रहती है. रेखा is sad. रेखा is sad moment by moment. रेखा is sad in every moment. मेरा दोस्त हर समय यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. You can speak this sentence in Hindi from another way. मेरा दोस्त हर पल यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. मेरा दोस्त पल पल यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. मेरा दोस्त हर समय यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. Many times we speak in Hindi, but two times we have to translate this sentence into English language. मेरा दोस्त पल पल यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. मेरा दोस्त हर पल यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. मेरा दोस्त हर समय यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. मेरा दोस्त हरदम यहाँ उपस्थित रहता है. You can translate my friend is present here in every moment, or you can translate that my friend is present here moment by moment. Like this we can translate. If maybe this type of sentence can come in the sentence of the tense also. वह पल पल झूठ बोलता है. Sometimes you talk like this sentence, and we have to learn every sentence what we speak in our daily life. वह पल पल झूठ बोलता है. Suppose you want to speak like this sentence, then you can translate he tells a lie moment by moment, or you can translate he tells a lie in every moment. Like this you can translate with all type of sentences. Can you translate? Okay, translate please. Hey. If you get any problem, then you can ask any word. Bechain, restless. The English of bechain is restless. We have to write restless. R-E-S-T-L-E-S-S. If any word you don't know, then you can ask with me. Restless, restless. Just before I told you. Restless. R-E-S-T-L-E-S-S. The meaning of restless is bechain in Hindi. For Hindi word bechain, you have to use restless. Completed? Okay, now we have to tell for checking. वह पल पल खुश रहता है. He is happy moment by moment, or you can translate he is happy in every moment. वे लोग पल पल नाराज रहते हैं. They are angry moment by moment, or you can translate they are angry in every moment.
हरी हरदम बेचैन रहता है।
हरी हरदम
बेचैन रहता है।
बेचैन रहता है. हरी is restless moment by moment, or you can translate Hari is restless in every moment.
रेखा हर समय उदास रहती है।
Rekha is sad in every moment, or you can translate Rekha is sad moment by moment. Okay, next now we have to write. जब देखो तब वह खुश रहता है. जब देखो तब वह खुश रहता है. Now another sentence we have to write. जब देखो तब वे लोग यहाँ उपस्थित रहते हैं. जब देखो तब वे लोग यहाँ उपस्थित रहते हैं. जब देखो तब हरी बीमार रहता है. जब देखो तब हरी बीमार रहता है. जब देखो तब तुम बेचैन रहते हो. जब देखो तब तुम बेचैन रहते हो. जब देखो तब तुम बेचैन रहते हो. Okay, now we have to close the all sentences in big bracket, and after that we have to write the rule. Subject plus HP. Subject plus HP plus object plus more often than not. More often than not. More often than not. N-O-T, not. O-F-T-E-N, often. We have to write the spelling of often. O-F-T-E-N. More often. O-F-T-E-N. More often than not. More often than not. Okay. Now we have to understand this sentence also. That what is the way of translating this sentence? Just before some time I already told you about every sentence, that learning every sentence is very compulsory. Really, we don't know how to speak this language. That's why we are here. And for learning this language, learning every sentence is very compulsory. Unless we learn all the sentences of Hindi, suppose this sentence is coming before you for translating and speaking. If you don't know about jab dekho tab, that for this one what we have to use in English. If you don't know, then you cannot speak it. But you have been coming here for learning English language. For learning this language, learning every sentence is very compulsory. If you don't know how to translate all the sentences, then of course you can get lots of problems to speak this one. According to your ways, you cannot speak if you don't know all the sentences to translate them. And our base of English is very weak. You know better about it. It doesn't need to explain about it more and more if, that really our base is weak. Of course our base is very weak. That's why we command on every sentence to translate. We have to know all the sentences of Hindi, that what in this sentence, how can we translate, what is the way of translating, what is the rule of translating. We shall have to know first about it. Then we can speak this language. If we have the collection of the sentences, then it will be easy for speaking this language. That's why it was said before you. Let's suppose this type of sentence will come before you for speaking. That वह जब देखो तब वह खुश रहता है. Here the sentence is coming जब देखो तब. In this sentence the word is coming जब देखो तब. For this one what we have to use, mainly we have to learn this one. That for जब देखो तब what we have to use in English, the sentence is coming, it's very easy to translate. वह खुश रहता है, it's very easy to translate. You know how to translate this sentence. Only we have to know that for Hindi जब देखो तब what we have to use. This is a phrase. How can we use this one? We have to know that what is the English of जब देखो तब, and where we have to use. What should be the position of this one into the sentence. That's why it was said before you that जब देखो तब वह खुश रहता है. Look, in Hindi sentence, जब देखो तब जब देखो तब word has been used beginning of the sentence. But while translating, when you go to translate the sentence into English language, then first you have to translate the sentence according to the rule, and after translating the sentence means in end of the sentence you have to use more often than not for Hindi. जब देखो तब. It's also very easy. One time you know how to translate, then it will be easy to speak. You don't worry that how can you speak. You don't worry for this one. That how can you speak. Speaking is easy, but first we have to know that how can we translate. Keep in your mind about all the sentences. That how can you translate these all sentences into English language. It's very very important. जब देखो तब वह खुश रहता है. He is happy more often than not. जब देखो तब वे लोग बीमार रहते हैं. They are ill more often than not. जब देखो तब हम लोग यहाँ उपस्थित रहते हैं. First we have to translate. We are present here more often than not. जब देखो तब तुम उदास रहते हो. First we have to translate. You are sad more often than not. Like this we have to translate. If any word you get problem to know, then you can ask me. Any word if you don't know, then you can ask. Have you translated? Okay, now we have to tell for checking. जब देखो तब वह खुश रहता है. He is happy more often than not. They are present here. More often than not. Hari is ill more often than not. You are restless more often than not.